In this tutorial, we are going to see about how to develop a simple Android application. So, developing a simple Android application involves various steps. So, for creating a simple mobile application, we have to first install an Android SDK and install an ADT using Eclipse plugin, and then we have to create an Android virtual device. Then creating an Android project with Eclipse, you have to write the code and then start the app in an Android virtual device. So what are the softwares we are in need for the development of Android application? So we have to download Eclipse, Android SDK and ADT plugin for Eclipse. So this is readily available in the eclipse.org. So first you install the Android SDK, then install ADT Eclipse plugin. Then we have to create an Android virtual device. Here only we are just going to run our application. So what are the steps involved to create a new project? So once you have installed the Eclipse, you have to start the Eclipse. So you just look for the Eclipse application icon, start it, and after that open the file menu. Next create a new project. Then we have to select the Android project. So here in the wizard we could see we have click file new project, where we have chosen Android project. Then we are just going to click the next. So here we have to give the project name. So if you want to have the default location as such, then have it. Otherwise we have to browser choose the location where we have to store our Android project. Then we have to click next. So there comes the SDK. So you have to choose the SDK, that is software development kit, you have to choose, and then we have to give the application name. So this is very important. So you just give the application name. So it should be a unique application name, and you could see the package name there. So we have to create the package, and if you click on the create activity, it will name the activity with a unique identifier, and we can just use that for our activity. So these are the three things we have to give in this application info window. So first of all we have to give the application name, second we have to give the package name, third we have to see whether the activity name is provided. Then we have to click finish, and after that it is the environment where we can write our coding. So in the coding, so the package name is already created for you, so you need not bother about anything there. So in the onCreate method, already you will be having super.onCreate, so you need not bother about that. Next we have to create a text view, because we are just going to display a welcome message. For that, create a text view and set the text as hello world Android. For that we have to create the instance for the text view and use the method set text for setting the text. So after that you just set the content view as text. So these are the three things we have to do as far as the coding is concerned. So the coding is done in the Java file which is present in the src folder. After that we have to run the application. So once you run the application, you could see a hello world Android getting displayed. So suppose if you want to see how your icon gets created as an app in your mobile device, then you have to click home button. The home button, we could see the icon we have selected for our application, and if you choose the application, then we could get the display again as Hello World Android application. So this brings the end of the presentation. Thank you for listening.